Hello, my name is Leo. I'm here with SKILLSART. Today I'm going to show you guys a strategy. It involves the Bollinger Bands, which is a very profitable strategy. And I'm going to show you guys now on the computer. We're here on TradeView. It's the platform that I like using. A lot of us here in the company also use TradeView and professional traders. It has actually, you have a lot of access to different indicators and things that you can use for strategies for free. Okay, so I'm gonna open up Bollinger Bands. This is how you open it. All right, so this is the indicator of Bollinger Bands. I'm gonna tweak it a little bit for my strategy. I just changed the length to 22. And let's see, let's switch this to 0.2. That's fine. Okay, so right now we're looking at Bitcoin with USDT. And the way that I use Bollinger Bands is I pretend that this side under the Bollinger Band is a form of like a land or like a country or something. And the top side is another country, is the way I look at it. So for example, if you guys want to continue watching this video, subscribe to our website at skillsarts.com. We have more content and exclusive indicators that will help you succeed in the markets. Till next time.